Hey, ikaw dyan. Naaral mo na siguro lahat ng technical trading strategy na available publicly. Yet, di ka pa rin kumikita, di ka pa rin nagsasucceed. Well, I guess, you haven't figured out ano ba talagang problema. So, ito yung mga bagay na usually hindi na tinuturo or hindi natuturo ng iba't ibang trading academies, coaches, or kung ano man guru dito sa forex trading industry. So, kung ano yung mga yon, please watch the rest of the video. What is good mga champion and welcome back to another video. So for today's video guys, let me just give my input and probably these are the reasons bakit hindi ka pa rin umuusad sa trading journey mo. Alam ko guys, nasubukan nyo na lahat, okay? From a different perspective ng iba't ibang trading strategy. Merong mga 30 minute, may mga 1 minute, may mga kung ano indicators na ginagamit. Well, again, ang bottom line doon is usually ini-entice ka nilang mag-focus ka dun lang sa mga bagay na technical. And yun naman talaga yung nagiging attractive dun sa mga nag-aaral pa ng trading. Akala nyo, there is a holy grail of what? A best trading strategy dito sa forex trading industry. Every strategy can work. It's just that it's how we use them and how we understand yung inaaral mo na trading strategy. Wala. If you want to be part of our growing global TFP VIP Champions community, you might want to check out my offered 3 programs. This might be able to help you cater your needs pagdating sa inyong mga trading journey. So for the option 1, this is the TFP VIP Champion 90-day one-on-one mentorship program. This is usually a twice per week session and the schedule is based on your convenience and availability. So for the option 2, this is the TAP Champion Masterclass Lessons. This is really catered for those people na merong mga struggles pagdating sa kanilang schedules, paiba-iba ng schedule. So, I have managed to prepare 28 masterclass lessons from a beginner, zero knowledge perspective up to intermediate and advanced. So, syempre, kasama na dyan yung ating main system na ginagamit namin sa VIP community. So, walang reason na hindi mo matutunan yung TAP Champion system. And for the option 3, this is the TAP Champion Bootcamp. So this is more like a fast track because we usually have 4 times per week session. So again, matatapos tayo in 5 weeks program and that will be a big plus kung gusto nyo seryosohin yung inyong trading journey. So ito yung mga rason bakit siguro hindi ka umuusad. And probably, you may reflect on your side paano mo siya ma-resolve and how you can improve. First reason siguro is obvious naman to. You are still in denial na ang problema hindi yung market, hindi yung trading strategy, or hindi sa dami ng indicator na nilalagay mo. Ang problema mismo ay ikaw. Sa sobrang dami mong inaaral na kung ano-ano ang ginagamit mong tools, nawawala na iyong focus na minsan, ang pinaka-main point of problem is ikaw mismo sarili mo. Again, hindi mo naman lahat-lahat mapagsasabay yung mga strategy na inaral mo at one point. Hence, these are the reason people tend to overcomplicate. Akala mo siguro, the more indicator or tools na gamitin mo or ilagay mo dyan sa chart mo or the more lines na gamitin mo is mas magiging profitable ka or mas magiging high probable yung chances mo of winning. Diyan na nagkakaroon ng problema. It will backfire at the end of the day. Kasi bakit? Sa dami mong nilagay na tools, ngayon, hindi mo ngayon ma-figure out kung yung mga confirmations mo is mag-a-align sa isa't isa. And most of the time, hindi nangyayari yun, di ba? So, ano nangyari? Hinahabol nyo yung price, at the same time, nagkakaroon na kayo ng sense of confusion. Your timing of entry or execution is sometimes or most of the time, delay na rin. So, think of it, mag-reflect ka, probably ang problema is nasa iyo mismo. Number 2 reason, you give less importance sa lot size allocation. Lot size allocation is directly proportional or correlated dun sa tinatawag nating proper risk management. You must know how much money you are risking dyan sa kada trade mo. Sa dami ko nang naturuan guys, almost 1,000 people or even more, di ba? Marami dyan, they will always tell to me na matagal na silang titrade, they are experienced, hindi lang kumikita. Pero once tinanong ko paano sila mag-calculate ng kanilang risk, again, doon na nagkakaproblema. Tinatansya lang nila or base experience, lagi nilang ginagamit is just 0.01. When I ask them bakit 0.01, yun daw yung pinaka-safe. At some point, that is agreeable kasi yun naman talaga yung minimum lot size na available sa offer ng broker. But nevertheless, tandaan nyo guys, iba-iba tayo ng capital size. Okay? So which means, there will be some threshold kung hanggang saan ka lang pwede mag-risk sa kada trade mo. And you must know that. So, dyan papasok yung percentage risk allocation mo. So, kung hindi ka marunong mag-allot ng lot size mo, then definitely, lagi ka nag-execute ng ligaw. So, which means, minsan nagugulat ka na naglalagay ka ng lot size and eventually, bigla na lang masusunog yung account mo. Not knowing na malaking portion pala ng percentage yung itinataya mo sa market. Which is very, very wrong. Diba? So, kailangan, you must know your risk every time you place a trade sa market. Third point, ito lahat, alam ko guilty kayo. May iba-iba kayong strategy, di ba guys? So, quite common naman sa mga nag-aaral at simula ng forex trading journey nila is sobrang daming channel nyo pinapanood. Sobrang daming resources nyo binabasa. Nothing wrong with that. Kasi usually, yun naman talaga ang intake kapag kayo ay self-taught o nag-self-study kayo sa forex trading. Pero ang problema, so sobrang daming information, minsan di nyo alam saan ba akong simula. Ano ba talaga yung profitable at hindi? Ano ba talaga yung mag-work for me on my lifestyle? Tandaan nyo guys, not all strategy is effective sa kanya-kanyang lifestyle. Some people, o mga nagturo dyan ng mga trading coaches, is effective lang yon pag scalping or effective lang yon pag swing or day trade. So again, kung ang pipiliin mo, for example, ang lifestyle mo is meron kang day job or physically demanding yung work mo, diba? And then gusto mo mag-scalping, I don't think that will be effective kasi it will take a toll dun sa inyong focus at determination, lalo na pag galing kayo after work. So, medyo drain na kayo, at the same time, wala na yung attention nyo o yung full focus nyo pagdating sa pag-analyze. So, in that sense, karamihan dyan, mga na-experience nila is nasusunog sila kasi either wala kayong control sa emotion or wala yung 100 focus nyo pagdating dun sa strategy na yun. So, take note, huwag kayong paiba-iba ng strategy. Get variety of points or the thing na may logical sense sa inyo, saka nyo sila i-apply. Okay? Not necessarily yung buong strategy nyo, igagamitin nyo paiba-iba. So, nangyari dyan, mas lamang yung emotion, and minsan, alam naman natin, meron kayong trading setup prior pa na execution, pero hindi nyo nasusunod. Tama guys? So, even I was once a victim nung ganong mentality. So, kaya, nakaka-relate ako sa inyo guys pagdating sa bagay na yan. This would have a sense of decision using gut feeling. So, yan yung pinakamaling pwede nyong gawin. Tandaan nyo guys, forex trading market to, financial market, hindi pwedeng kutob lang ang pwedeng mag-decide sa inyo na mag-buy or sell. Kailangan may basis kayo of technical and fundamental before you execute yung trade nyo. And dapat naka-align sa trading rules. And lastly, siguro, okay, masyado kayong na-hype or na-entice dun sa mga influencers na pinapakita lang naman is yung kanilang lifestyle, okay, mga material na bagay. Wala mismo yung sense of teaching you guys and guiding you paano nila narating yun. It can be motivational. Ang point doon is you will not learn motivation through just watching. Okay, di ba? So sabi ko nga, if you want to learn, apply yung mga tinuturo ko dun sa videos. Huwag kayong manood doon sa kung sa sino-sino lang for entertainment purposes lang. No one will make money just by watching entertainment. Tandaan nyo yan, guys. Don't get me wrong. I'm not forcing anyone na huwag kayong manood doon. Ang point ko doon, use that as motivation. Pero hindi pwedeng yun yung maging source nyo para gumaling ka sa trading. No one will teach you properly if puro motivational quotes lang ang ma-absorb nyo. Puro motivation is just emotion. It's just psychology. Pero kulang sa gawa, kulang sa application, kung ano bang strategy ginagawa nila, is hindi pa rin kayo magsasucceed. Tandaan nyo yan, guys. So, I hope these points provide you an insight, okay, how you can improve your trading just by realizing these things. So, again, thank you so much to all my TFP, VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. So, God bless. See you all on the next videos. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, so I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profits from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.